But
Morning, Mr. Martinez. You have a very common name, and there are a gajillion.
Let's talk about the nightmare of being mistaken for someone else, and not just at the DMV, but by law enforcement. This is the case of Mr. Martinez, who walks into court after being arrested for someone else's crime. Yep, you heard that right. A simple match on name and date of birth led to a full-blown arrest. Now think about that. How would you feel if one misfiled name landed you in jail? And what's more terrifying, it's not a one-time error. The judge openly admits this could happen again. This isn't just about mistaken identity, it's a broken system that doesn't allow mugshots or thumbprints to be properly exchanged between jurisdictions. The tech exists, but bureaucracy blocks it. They're using teletype. Yes, teletype, like it's 1985. Now, here's a twist. Mr. Martinez will be released today, but only after sitting in a jail cell for something he didn't do. The judge promises he'll get help preventing this from happening again, but should that responsibility really be on him? This courtroom clip is quiet, but the implications are thunderous. Who's to blame here? The arresting officer, the system, or is this just another case of wrong place, wrong name? You decide. Stick around, because what's said next explains exactly why the law can't catch up with modern mistakes.
Gajillion Francisco Martinez is out there. There's an unfortunately, there is someone wanted in that jurisdiction that has your name. And you see now that you've been wrongly arrested, you're going to be released today. The fear is that this continues to happen. So I don't know, there are methods out there. And Mr. Kim, you say there's a letter that he can get.
yes,
What we're going to do is, I cannot give you legal advice, but I'm going to have your lawyer that we've appointed to represent you tell you how you can take care of this so that it doesn't happen again. So we're going to process you out. You should be out within hopefully the next 4 to 6 hours, where Carter will tell you how to go about getting a letter so that this doesn't happen again. Do you have any questions? Did you want to add anything, Ricardo?
I'm sorry to say, Judge, it's just a bad situation.
Es dificultoso decidir que este señor pueda estar preso y no es él.
Yeah.
It's not a good situation.
Yeah, I mean, mistakes have been made, and I don't know, I guess the arresting officer, I don't understand why they wouldn't do just a little bit deeper dive.
Well, when they're on the field and it's obviously an arrest in the evening, is us being one of the few agencies that's truly 24/7, is that they can only confirm by teletype for whatever the fugitive division is. And so with it's most commonly name and date of birth, and statistically that should narrow it down, but it's just,
I mean,
because you can't take or you can't
they
send
have mobile apices?
for that when they get processed in, but that only brings them in for, again, the same name and date of birth, but you can't trade mugshots with the demanding jurisdiction. Because the teletypes can't support images. And so ultimately it's only what the text is, and that text is the name and date of birth. So
On that sense, Judge, would his fingerprint goes with
And that's why I was, they've got these mobile apices that.
the mobile thing where they could just test them and see if it's his prints or not.
sure, but the majority of warrants, the way they're sent by teletype, again, a thumbprint can't be imaged in a teletype.
I got you.
So yes, there is a thumbprint, but there's no way
The
to.
thumbprint should be able to verify who this person is, whether they have the correct date of birth.
But
Mugshots.
that only corresponds to the warrant of the demanding jurisdiction if they have something to match it against. So that's the issue.
So what did we just witness? A man nearly caught in the jaws of the justice system, not because of what he did, but because of what someone else, with his name, might have done. The arrest wasn't malicious, but it was mechanical. The judge did her best to walk him out with some dignity, but it's clear that the burden to fix this falls unfairly on the innocent. And that raises the big question: how many others are in the same position? Right now, without a camera in the courtroom to capture it. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. We've got more stories coming that you won't believe.
That's the issue, is yes, we can pull it up on our side, but it's the same way even for our parole violations, is they can't check on scene, especially at 1 a.m. That's why we're the second check, is that we're able to verify if there's a thumbprint, mugshot, etc.
You're going to be released here momentarily. I'll have Ricardo tell you how to take the next steps, though, okay? All right. Good luck, Mr. Martinez.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think we still need a person, a different one from Mr. Diaz.